Hey everybody, welcome back. If you would like to fix the audio delay in your VLC Android device and you are looking out how to fix this issue, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. Open up the VLC application for that. And once you open up your VLC application, you can play the video that has an audio delay. You can pick up a file and start it. So let's say this is the particular video that has the audio delay in my device right now. So if you want to fix that issue, what you need to do is once you start playing the video, look out for the subtitle icon in the bottom left and select it. After you select it here, you'll be finding a section for audio. So you can tap on audio, this arrow right here, and here you'll be finding an option called audio delay. You can just go over and tap on it. And there you can just go over and configure this millisecond right here. So you can just go and configure it and set up the changes to fix the audio delay right here. And you can tap on apply to the videos and you can even reset it if you prefer. And that should probably fix the issue. Apart from that, what you need to do is ensure that you are using the latest version of the application. For that, go to Play Store, and within Play Store, go to the search and search for VLC Android. And once you find VLC Android, you can just go over and look out for the VLC Android and update this application if there is any update available and confirm it up, and that is it. So that should probably fix the issue of the audio delay. You just need to fix the milliseconds and that should probably fix it, and also use the latest version of the app and save the settings. And that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Ensure this video is liked and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.